Hi everybody! Today I'll show you how to crochet these unique and easy snowflakes. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 single crochet, then chain 3 1 single crochet 5 times. Chain 3, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. For round 2, chain 1. Make 2 single crochet, chain 4 2 single crochet into each space. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet right here. Make another slip stitch into the next stitch. Then chain 1. Make 2 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 5, one single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet into the same space. Then chain 2, make 2 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 5, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet into the same space, then chain 2 5 times. Cut the yarn and use the darning needle. Insert the needle into the first single crochet under the 2 loops right here. And into the back loop from the other side. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.